Hey guys, Mike here. Time for another unboxing. Let's jump right in. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what are these? These are stands. Let's jump right in. Alright. These are frosted stands. It's pretty awesome, as you can see. And what are they for? They're for 1/6 scale figures. You install them on their heel, or their shoe, or boot, as you can see. And there you go. There we go. So now he doesn't need a stand. Awesome. And there we go. Just place the foot in a stand. Awesome. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.